Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the PNR and the exact passenger whose ticket you will cancel. Open the railway app or website and log into your account. Once done, view the PNR details to see seat and fare breakdown. Make sure you know the booking class and concession status because those affect refunds. You should also have the passenger's ID and the original payment method on hand so verification and refund processing go smoothly, and you can move to modify the booking immediately. Once you've identified the passenger, select the PNR and tap the option to modify or cancel passengers. Choose only that passenger's checkbox so the rest of the PNR remains intact. Next, review the refund calculation and cancellation fee presented. This is why knowing booking class matters. Confirm the cancellation and approve any OTP or identity prompt. After confirmation, note the cancellation reference shown on screen and wait for the email or SMS. After cancellation, you should immediately save the confirmation screenshot and expected refund timeline. Typically, refunds post in 3 to 7 days depending on the payment method. If the confirmation SMS or refund does not appear, first reopen the PNR to ensure the passenger shows as canceled, then contact Railway Customer Care with the cancellation reference. Make sure to provide booking details and your ID if a technical error occurred. Ask for escalation and keep records. This preserves proof and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.